Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In our previous video, we learned how to install Windows Server 2022 on Hyper-V Virtual Machine. In this video, we will learn how to enable Active Directory domain services on Windows Server 2022. So let's get started. Let's go to our RDC man and connect to Windows Server 2022. And go to Server Manager. To install Active Directory domain services, let's go to Manage and click on Add Roles and Features. Select Skip and select Next. Leave this option as is and select Next. Select the ADDS server and select Next. In here, select Active Directory Domain Services. Select Add Features. Click on Next. Click on Next. Click on Next. And click Install. This step will install the Active Directory Domain Services on the Windows Server 2022. Once the installation is completed, we have to configure the Active Directory Domain Services. This is also called promoting a server to domain controller. So let's click on promote this server to a domain controller and continue with configuring this server. As we are creating a new forest, select add a new forest. Enter the root domain name. I'm going to give it as ps.local. Select next. In this window, let's enter the DSRM password. This will be required when you are recovering an Active Directory domain system after the failure. So let's enter the password and confirm the password again. Once it is done, click next. In the DNS delegation page, click on next. During this particular step, it will be checking for any duplicate of the domain name system. As we do not have any other domains in this network with the same name, this will get passed. Once this validation is completed, click on next. These are some of the important files which will be stored in this particular locations. As you can see, Active Directory database folder is saved in Windows NTDS and the log files are saved in the same folder. However, the sysvol is created on a separate folder. Let's click next. Review the options and click next. In this step, it will check for prerequisites, and if all the tests are passed, it will give a green check. And if there are any warnings, it will show the warnings on the results pane. So as this is a test lab, we can ignore the warnings and continue with the setup. So let's click on install. So this will install the DNS and configure the DNS records, as well as this will configure the Active Directory domain system and promote this server into domain controller. So once this is completed, it will be automatically restarted and we will be asked to log in with a domain account. By default, the ADDS will have administrator account and the password of this domain admin account will be same as the local administrator account which we had earlier. So let's use the same credentials and log in as domain admin account in our RDC man console. As you can see, we have successfully logged in with domain account. So let's verify. Let's go to command prompt and type who am I to verify the admin account. As you can see, we have logged in with domain account, which is ps/administrator. So let's close this. Let's go to Start and go to Windows Administrative Tools and select Active Directory Administrative Center. Also, let's go to Start and select Active Directory Users and Computers. Let's expand this domain. As you see, all the Active Directory domain system components are installed successfully and working as expected. So let's close this all. Let's go to Start and select Server Manager. Let's wait for it to refresh the server status. As you can see, we have successfully installed ADDS and DNS. Also, file and storage services have been installed as part of ADDS. In the coming videos, we will learn how to manage users and groups in Active Directory. I hope this video was informational. See you on the next one.